Wotton, and I'm just visiting Fifi to see what she has in the shop today. So, hello!
Hello!
Hello! How are you?
I'm extremely well, thank
Good,
you very
good.
much.
So,
Nice to see you.
how's the shop?
Yes, going
Good.
really well.
Busy bee?
Yeah, extremely
Busy?
busy. In fact, I got in early this morning and I did a lot of business before it even opened, so that is really good
What's
news.
that table there? That
This is
looks nice.
a lovely new rustic bench, like an old wooden butcher's block.
Oh,
Put the baskets in the bottom, just very rustic,
Love
but
that.
lovely. Yeah,
very nice.
lovely
How
anyway.
much
And
is that one for?
that one is 110. And it's
110?
all upcycled, recycled wood. Also, the guy makes these lovely trays as well, which are fantastic.
Very nice. Very nice.
Oh, what else have I got that we can show you?
You've got new colours in the Frenchic range.
Yes, we've got the fabulous new colours. In fact, I'm just waiting for a delivery to come in this morning. I've only got a couple of the serendipities left at the moment, but I'll get the new ones in later this afternoon.
Do you want to show us what
Yes,
you've got in your other?
This is all a bit jammed in here because we've had a big delivery in. But it's a big old space, got that nice screen. If anybody's into peacocks and Chinesey things and birds, that's rather nice. Just
Very
sold
nice.
a big side table of this, bit of a gap.
Ah, nice.
Just sold a little dresser, so that's going to be going
good.
out. This is my next painting project. I'm fancying doing this in hottie. It's a dressing table. There's a lovely big oval mirror to go on there.
Lovely.
Nice big storage unit. If a guy's looking for having something in his garage, I've just put all my bits and pieces in it for the moment, but that's there. And this is currently my favourite thing in the shop. This beautiful big coffee table, lovely shape, and I can just see families sitting around and doing drawing and colouring and stuff like that.
Very nice.
Yes, it's been good. Actually, I've got some pretty little pieces of antique furniture at the moment. This lovely little desk, which I can't wait to start painting. It's got some damage on the top, so it's a perfect candidate for painting.
This white table looks nice.
Yeah, looks a lot better than it did when it was highly glossed, wasn't it?
Very nice.
So,
Splendid.
yes. So,
Where's that little unit that I bought up the other day?
sold.
Sold already?
Sold it 10 minutes later.
Oh,
I tell you, it's
worth it then.
It's if you've got a nice eye,
That's a
and
nice
something's
mirror, isn't
coming
it?
in, that mirror is 125. Absolutely cracking over mantle mirror.
Yeah,
Brilliant value.
gorgeous.
Probably
Very
about
nice.
260 in John Lewis.
Yeah, amazing.
So yes, we've got some nice bits, and I love
So,
this.
have you got any courses planned?
I don't do planned courses. I get people to ring me now and say that they want to come on a course, and then I just book the next available Wednesday afternoon or Sunday afternoon. And as long as it's for 2 people, that works beautifully. And it saves me feeling as if I've got the whole of my life booked up, and you just do a spontaneous date a couple of weeks in advance.
Okay. So they get to bring their own piece of furniture.
Bring their own piece of furniture in, and then we take them through several different methods of painting techniques, and they go home at the end of it with a nice completed piece of furniture and a lot more knowledge on how to use the different paints and the
And they
different
end up
products.
thinking you're fantastic.
Well, I hope so.
Cool, wow, there you go.
So
Good job.
your chair's the next one. This is chair number 2 of the 6 that I have to do, and I'm going to paint it in this colour for you. I know you're not getting much say in it, but you know, I know your bright pink one. I'm going to do this one next, which is Kiss Me Slowly.
Lovely.
And I'm thinking black velvet for all your
Oh,
seats.
that's sexy. Very
So
nice.
we'll get Lois to sort that out for you
Good.
afterwards.